This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Tips to get the best from the Forex market. Trading on the foreign exchange seems to be a big mystery to a lot of people. However, it is really not any more difficult than trading any other commodity. If you want to learn more about Forex, start by reading the many books and articles written on the subject. This article contains some ideas to get you started. Although you may aspire to big riches, you should never use Forex as a last resort. If you have to pawn your jewelry or take out a loan to get into Forex, you are getting in at the wrong time. Inevitably, people who use Forex in an attempt to make big money in a hurry ultimately fail. It takes patience and understanding to correctly use the system. Forex trading is usually highly leveraged. When operating with large amounts of leverage, a proper money management technique is essential. Never have more than 2% of your capital at risk on a given trade or 6% of your capital at risk at any given time. This way, even if all the money you have at risk is completely lost, you can still trade again the next day. Current events have a huge impact on the currency exchange. By monitoring the news, you may find that an unattractive pairing of currencies are suddenly viable and should be looked at. The same is true about your pet pairings, as they can turn to dogs very quickly with upheavals in the economy or events of that country. To be successful in Forex trading, you have to understand that trading hinges on probability as well as risk analysis. No particular method or style will produce profits over an extended period of time. Instead, manage your risk allocations according to your understanding of probability as well as risk management. When trading, keep in mind why you are doing it. It could be anything from not having anything better to do to learning how to trade and make big profits. Whatever the case may be, keep it in mind, and it can help you set both your objectives and your schedule. When pursuing Forex trading, you should aim to ignore conventional wisdom. As surprising as this may sound, you should never take anything that is stated in the financial media very seriously. Very often, they are wrong. Instead, do your own homework. If you feel comfortable with a trade after researching, go for it. Know the difference between trading currencies and trading stocks before you become involved in Forex trading. Currencies are never figured in absolute values, but only in their relative strengths. This means they are also only traded in pairs. You can't buy just one type of currency. Instead, you are buying into the value of one currency against another. Once you understand the basics in foreign exchange trading, you can start planning your investment strategy. The key is to give yourself enough time to get used to the market. Do not expect to become an expert overnight, and do not be discouraged if things start slowly in the beginning. Be consistent in applying what you learn, and you will be in good shape. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.